Experiencing issues activating your Spectrum Mobile eSIM with QR codes or profile errors. As of September 2025, common problems include QR code scanning failures and profile download issues. These issues often stem from device compatibility, network settings, or Spectrum updates. First, ensure your device is compatible. Use iPhone XS or later, or select Android models and make sure it's unlocked. Make sure you are using the latest Spectrum mobile app, version 4.2.1 or newer, released in June 2025 for improved QR code scanning. Ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi or 5G connection for profile downloads. Scan the QR code in bright lighting conditions. If errors persist, try force restarting your device or clearing the app's cache. Verify eSIM support in your device's settings under Cellular. If issues continue, contact Spectrum support within 48 hours for assistance and potential expedited refunds. An eSIM is a digital SIM card that enables over-the-air activation via a QR code. When activating, QR code errors often result from poor scanning conditions like low light or blurry camera or outdated apps. Profile errors can occur due to incompatible devices, insufficient storage, or network interruptions. Always check your device's compatibility on Spectrum's website and update your software with iOS 16 Plus or Android 11 Plus recommended. Disable VPNs or firewalls that might block communication with Spectrum servers. Many issues are preventable with the app's guided setup, now enhanced with AI to predict failures. A common fix is toggling airplane mode and rescanning. Disable VPNs and use a wired connection if profile downloads are stuck. Keep your app updated, as outdated versions lack error logging, leading to prolonged support calls. By addressing these fundamentals, you can resolve most eSIM activation problems effectively.